Hello guys, today we are going to solve maximum with ramp, which is a daily problem in Leetcode, right? Here we can see the input and we are given a list of integers and we have to take the maximum where there are two conditions where I less than j and nums of I lesser than or equal to nums of j and j minus I is the ramp. So we have to calculate where the j minus I is max and is qualifying all these conditions, right? So one thing we have to observe here is we can take two pointer but it will be taking long and we have to going through off and square, and we can take max and min but we cannot qualify the max and min for having these conditions, right? So we are going to take a stack and we have to ensure one thing here: 6 comma 0 and 9 comma 8 comma 1 comma 0. These are the greatest indices, so the distance will be lesser, right? See, as you can see, 4 and 1 are greater but the distance is very less, and 1 and 1 are 9 and 1 are greater but the distance is sorry 1 and 4 are greater but the distance is very less. But here we can see 0 and 1 are lesser, the distance is more, and 1 and 1 is lesser, the distance is more. So we have to consider the greatest indices in the descending order, right? So let us take st equal to, which is the stack for indices, and n equal to length of nums, and for I in range of nums, which is n, if not stack, which means the if the stack is empty, or nums of I lesser than nums of stack of -1, then st dot append of I. And yes, we will be getting the indices of stack in a decreasing order until decreasing order, right? And let us take m equal to 0 and we are going to traverse the array in descending order, sorry, reverse order, -1 and -1. As we are coming from the descending order, this condition will be some more reverse, which is greater than or equal to, right? So while st and nums of I greater than or equal to nums of st of -1, right? It is the same condition as we are coming from the reverse. We will be changing into greater than or equal to, then m equal to max of m comma I minus st dot pop, which is the index. So now let's return m. Let's run it. As you can see, it has run successfully. Now let's submit it. As you can see guys, it is also submitted successfully. Thank you guys.